Let's take a quick look at the course contents. In over 200 videos, you will work on important R packages, solve lots of practice problems, learn core statistical modeling and machine learning concepts, and do end-to-end data science projects. First, you will learn to write your own R code and perform basic programming tasks. You will begin with the base R programming course, where you will master the fundamental data structures, understand the core programming constructs, and get enough coding practice. You will learn to create full featured plots for data analysis using base graphics. Then you will move to advanced coding in R based on the tidyverse using the dplyr package. You will start using the elegant pipe syntax and the data manipulation verbs. Then you will move on to master the data.table package, which has advanced capabilities for fast data manipulation. Data scientists love this package for its incredible speed gains. Here, you will do fast data imports, create pivot tables, and get comfortable wrangling data overall. You will learn techniques to make your R code run super fast. Once you gather the core R programming skills, you start creating professional looking plots using the famous ggplot2 package. You will be able to create any data analysis plot because you will not just learn the syntax but also learn the underlying structure behind it. Then you will gain mastery over the statistical foundations for machine learning, which by itself is a full fledged statistics course. You will understand the core statistical concepts by solving multiple use cases of when and how to use them. You will know exactly how they work by following step by step hand computations and then implement in R to match the results. All the concepts are completely explained and demonstrated. After mastering statistics, you will achieve professional level R skills in linear and logistic regression. You will understand what sort of industrial problems you can apply them on, understand the math behind it in detail. You will build the algorithm itself from scratch, learn how to interpret the results, perform post model building diagnostics, and learn how to present the results in a way that is valuable to the business and project stakeholders. Finally, you will solve real project cases in banking and in education domain. Throughout the program, you will solve interesting coding challenges and get continuous query support and earn the R Data Science certification. So far, all my students have been thrilled with the in-depth and clearly explained concepts. The complex concepts are completely broken down, go beyond learning several tips and tricks along the way. After completing this course, rest assured, you too will gain the confidence to do high impact data science projects.